Here's a way for you to create notes on YouTube videos and share them with your team or with clients via links or embedded into documents like Notion files. And it's completely free and no account needed. This is how it works. First, you go to this link. Then second, you paste the YouTube link into this field. That will load a web annotator where you can create notes on specific timestamps or even on time ranges. Then you can share invite links either with read access or collaborate access. And that also works with individual notes that you can share with other people. Then you can share them via those links. Or you can embed them straight into documents like Notion, where they even work including the whole player, where people can jump to the timestamp that you noted up. You can embed them also into a full reader where other people can annotate with you and reply even, so you can have a full conversation, all within Notion. And as a small teaser, this also works for PDFs and websites, for which I'm going to do a video soon. If you want to win back an hour every day with workflows like this, check out my profile.